Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to get free credits on TouchTunes. So if you want to get free TouchTunes credit, then you just need to watch this video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the first basic thing which you need to do is that make sure that you have already installed the TouchTunes app. So if you have not installed the TouchTunes app, then you just need to install it from App Store or Play Store. So after that you just need to open the TouchTunes app and make sure that you are already logged into your account. So as you can see, this is the home page of TouchTunes, where you'll see various options on the bottom taskbar as well as at the very center of the screen. Now to get the free credits, you just need to click on the option of your credits at the very top right, and if you have any promo code, then you just need to click on the option of promo code and you just need to enter the promo code along with the CVD, and after that click on the option of redeem and you'll be able to get the free credit. But if you want to get it for free, then you just need to click on the option of profile icon at the very bottom right, and here you will see the option of monthly milestone. So if you have 10 plus plays, then you will be able to get 1 credit. Also for 20 plays you will be able to get 1 credit, and so on goes like this. So if you have more than 100 plays, then you will be able to get plus 10 credits. So that's it. That's how you can get free TouchTunes credits. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.